Want to ace your next piping project? Here's the quick way with Pipe Flow Expert. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to set up, simulate, and analyze any piping system using Pipe Flow Expert. Follow along and become a pro. First, launch Pipe Flow Expert and create a new project. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Start by drawing your pipe network. Simply click and drag to add pipes, pumps, and fittings. The extensive component library has everything you need for any piping system. Set your pipe properties including diameter, material, and length. The software handles the complex calculations. Define your fluid properties. Choose from water, oil, gas, Oregon. Custom fluids with specific characteristics. Establish boundary conditions like inlet pressure and flow requirements for accurate simulation. Hit calculate and watch the magic happen. The software solves complex flow equations instantly. Visualize flow patterns, pressure drops, and velocity distributions throughout your entire system. Get detailed results for every component, including flow rates, pressures, and head losses. Analyze pump performance with built-in pump curves and operating point calculations. Generate professional reports with graphs, tables, and system diagrams for client presentations. Optimize your design by comparing different scenarios and selecting the best solution. From industrial plants to building systems, you now have the tools to handle any piping challenge. No more confusion, just results. Master Pipe Flow Expert today and transform your engineering workflow. Start your free trial and experience the difference professional pipe flow analysis makes. Subscribe for more engineering tutorials and take your skills to the next level.